means that your particular reserve has the ability to respond in a very positive way and recover from insults from things like coastal storms or sea level rise. Whereas that if you have low ecological integrity or ecological resilience, your reserve is less likely or less capable of responding to those sorts of environmental changes that you will potentially be experiencing as climate change goes forward. The types of stressors that were identified around the reserves that were impacting the reserves were toxic pollutants, storm impacts, invasive species, habitat fragmentation, sedimentation, and shoreline erosion. And then the type of factors that led to that, and there are no real big surprises here, but things like development, land use, population growth, wastewater treatment, and sea level rise. The reserves in the red dots were the ones that had the lowest ecological resilience of the reserve system. The three reserves in California, Tijuana River, Elkhorn Slough, and San Francisco Bay Reserve, had very low ecological resilience. And some of this was due to the fact that all three of these reserves are in areas that are very heavily developed and receive have a lot of stress put on them from the fact that they are developed. Three other reserves that have this low ecological resilience were Old Woman Creek in Ohio, Wacoit Bay in Massachusetts, and Wacoit Bay sort of sticks out because it's a highly developed area, and they have a lot of nutrient pollution from septic groundwater leakage into their estuaries. So they have a lot of issues there. So